What I want to do today is just touch on the car a little bit because I know there's a lot of new subscribers that I've gotten recently, and there's a lot about the car you guys don't know. So if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna break down everything going on with the car, all the issues, and obviously I see the title of the video is the 45K mile breakdown. So pretty much everything that's going wrong with the car, everything that went wrong with the car, everything that I fixed, and then everything that I changed from the factory, either part settings or just factory pieces regardless. So first off, the first thing I'm having a problem with right now, a key thing right now to keep the car running smooth, I'm having a coolant leak. So actually, let me open that. Show y'all the coolant leak I got going on right now. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a lot of, there you go, there's a lot of pink down there. There's a lot of coolant leaking down there, and so right now I'm filling up coolant about every 2 weeks, a full bottle of coolant every 2 weeks. So that's gonna get fixed. I have an appointment tomorrow actually at Marina to get that set up. Oil change as well, all that good stuff. Other than that, nothing else going on mechanically. I have the headlight issue that I'm having a problem with as well. So overnight there's moisture building up in the headlight. As you can see, there's a little bit right there in there building up. I'm not sure why it never did that up until now. I've owned the car for going on 4 years, and it never did that up until now. So not sure what that's about either. Another big issue I'm having is, and it really isn't a big issue for me because I'm actually tired of doing it, but my mistake was buying these rims. Now, I don't mean a mistake because I don't like them. I love the wheels. The wheels are super dope. They're clean. They flow with the car so well. But my mistake was they were cheap. They were too cheap, way too cheap. I should have looked more history. I should have did more research about these wheels because as far as build quality isn't like bad, but how they hold up. New York, if anybody lives in New York, you know New York has the worst potholes. I mean, like potholes 5, 6, 7 inch deep, super wide potholes. But I've cracked about 3 rims. So 3 out of the 4 rims are cracked on this car right now. The 3 rims are fixed. And then the issue that I'm having is this, if you can notice, this tire is really low on air. So you can tell that it's flat right there. This tire here, because this rim is one of the rims I fixed and it cracked again. So not only did it crack again, but it cracked in the same spot it cracked the first time, and it cracked in a new, there's a separate crack in a different area. So this rim right now has 2 cracks. So I'm filling this rim with air every single morning. It's getting very annoying. And the reason I'm doing that because I can't order a new rim. They discontinued these rims. So I'm pretty much stuck right now because I don't have the stock wheels either. But I'm just gonna ride it out. I'll probably get that rim fixed sooner or later and ride it out. But yeah, that's the issue I'm having with the rims right now. Mind you, I love those rims. They like I said, they look crazy with the car. They make the, just look at it. She look good like that, man. They flow with the car so well. The struts have been replaced. The all-wheel drive differential has been replaced. All under warranty, of course. I didn't pay a dime for it because I was under warranty. As far as everything I've done to this car from stock till now. So obviously the rims are not stock. Those are aftermarket rims. I got those after 3 years. These are Rosso Zen wheels. So again, they're discontinued. These ones in Pacific are discontinued. They have the ones that are all chrome. Those are still available, which I can't do that. I'm not about to do those and get them all painted over, but I'm not doing that. But we also upgraded the rotors. These are the R1 Concept rotors and R1 Concept ceramic brakes. So love the brakes. Love the rotors, they work so good. I had the power stop ones on here before, and we upgraded those on front and back. So These are the ones on the back. Like those, they just slotted. I had the drill power stop ones and they corroded really bad, so I just went for just slotted on these. Mopar spoiler, front lip spoiler right here, all black. Had to get it black. I didn't want it white to match the car, so we did this body, we did that body piece, and then we did the two body trim pieces on the back. Right here, you got this one and the one obviously on the other side. Makes the car look like it's a little lower, gives it a little body to it. A lot of people like that because it just looks good. It flows with the car real well. It's no longer available if anybody's looking for that. Then we went ahead and did the wrap for the door handles, the mirror, and the roof. Had to get my roof. I waited too long to do my roof. I should have bended the roof. I just did the roof probably like 5 or 6 months ago, and I just think I just think it makes the car a lot better with that black roof. I love it. I love it. And then right after that, we added the MoparMayne, obviously, to the windshield. Man, follow me. Make sure if y'all watching this video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all, more videos coming. And then follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. But that's pretty much. Oh, one more mile we did the, and excuse me for that noise. So that's another thing. I gotta tighten down the bolt right here for the door, because when you open it, it's making that noise. I don't know if any other 200 owners are having that issue with the door. It's only the driver's side for some reason. Passenger side has not done that yet, but this is the other mod right here. Pedal Commander. If you haven't checked out that Pedal Commander video, the link gonna be right here in the top corner of the video. Go check out that video, because the Pedal Commander it's a throttle body, a throttle modification. So what that does is it allows you to get rid of the lag in the car. So when you floor the car, and there's a little lag in between, when the car finally takes off, it get rid of that. So, and it's proven to increase your 0 to 60 time. So I haven't actually timed any of my times or went to the track or anything. I want to go to the track really. I'm dying to go to the track. I just haven't had time. But for pretty much that's everything. I know I'm looking crazy right now. Don't worry, man. I'm gonna be looking fresh real soon. Gotta go get a haircut. Other than that, that's pretty much everything, man. 45K mile update. Everything that's broken, everything that's going wrong. Pretty much anything other than that, man, it's all good. The car's been working fine. I still love the car. There's so much hate for this car, for far as just the owners. Like I get a lot of messages and stuff for owners who just don't like their car. Comments, they just hate their car. Oh, I forgot. Oh, damn, I forgot the best feature that I did. Now this car, this 200, this is the 2015 200S. It did not come with the premium lighting kit. I don't have those really bright LED strips that they have on the premium group package, but I had the projector ones, and I like the projectors were fine. I just like that the LED looked better. So what I did is I upgraded my single projector to the LED ones, and that was a really nice touch to the car too, because it makes at night these lights are super bright, super bright. So had to add on that feature as well. Other than that, I think that's it. I'm trying to get some interior mods as far as the seats. Trying to get some interior mods done real soon, so stay tuned and don't miss out, because if I get a hold of them, they definitely getting put in immediately. So make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like this video, man. Leave a comment, let me know matter of fact, let me know what y'all drive. I want to know what all my subscribers driving. If you have a 200, tell me how you drop a comment, man. Let me know how you like your car and what's going on with your car, because I know in my group a lot of people love their car, a lot of people hate their car. So that's it, y'all. That's all I got for y'all today, man. I'm out. Peace. And one thing I did look at my baby. One thing I did forget, I upgraded the stock headlights as well. So I did from the halogen lights, halogen bulbs, to the HIDs from Blitz, Op 7, and then there's the Blitz model. Love them, man. Super bright, real nice blue. They're not that deep blue, it's just a tint of blue. So love those lights as well. But That's the end of the video now, y'all. Peace.